Hey there YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel Phone Flicks. Today, we have an exciting tutorial that many of you have been requesting: how to screen record on your iPhone. Whether you want to capture gameplay, create tutorials, or simply share something interesting on your screen, this tutorial will have you covered. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, make sure your iPhone is running on the latest version of iOS. This tutorial applies to iPhones with iOS 11 and above. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the Control Center. To begin, you need to access the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to bring it up. Depending on your iPhone model, this gesture may vary slightly. Step 2. Adding the screen recording button. Now, it's time to customize your control center. Scroll down and tap on the Customize Controls option. In the More Controls section, look for the Screen Recording option. Tap the green plus icon next to it to add it to your control center. Step 3. Activating screen recording. Great, you've added the screen recording button to your control center. Now, let's see how to activate it. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen to access the control center. You'll notice the new screen recording icon, which looks like a circle inside a circle. Give it a tap. A countdown of 3 seconds will appear, indicating that the screen recording is about to start. During this countdown, you can choose whether to record the audio from your microphone or not. Just long press the screen recording icon and you'll see the options. Once you're ready to start recording, tap on the Start Recording button. Step 4. Recording your screen. Congratulations! You're now recording your iPhone screen. You can navigate through different apps, open websites, or perform any actions you'd like to capture. Remember, while recording, a red bar will appear at the top of your screen, indicating that the recording is in progress. Step 5. Stopping the recording. When you're finished recording, simply tap on the red status bar at the top of your screen. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you want to stop the recording. Tap Stop to end the recording. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to screen record on your iPhone. Now, let's see how to access your recordings. Accessing your recordings. To find your recorded videos, open the Photos app and navigate to the Albums tab. Scroll down until you see the Screen Recordings album. Tap on it, and you'll find all your screen recordings neatly organized. That's all for today's tutorial on how to screen record on your iPhone. It's a fantastic feature that can be used for a variety of purposes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.